Let's take a look at finding the mean or expected value of a discrete population probability distribution in Excel version 16 or 2016. Okay, this is a study of perhaps families that have 3 children. This is the number of girls that have. You could have 0 girls, 1 girl, 2 girls, or all of them could be girls. And for this particular study, this is what the percentages came up as. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my X values over here. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put my P of X, my probabilities. I do want these to be in decimal form. So 0.205. 0.3. 0.107. And 0.341. Now our formula looks like this. We want to take X times P of X first. So we want to multiply those together. So here I'm going to do an equals. And I'm going to do A2 times B2. Have to have the equals there. And that's going to multiply this number times this number. And then I press enter. I'm going to click here, put my mouse in the bottom right hand corner until it becomes a black plus. Click and hold down my left mouse button and drag it down so it's down to there. Now what this symbol means is it now means to add those together. So if I click down in cell C6 and I click the auto sum, it'll assume I want to add these together, in this case, C2 to C5, which is good. So I'll click the little check mark here, or I could press enter. And that gives us our 1.537. This is our mean or expected value. That'd mean if I was going to have 3 children, I should expect to have 1.537 girls. Obviously, you can't have a 0.537 of a girl. So this is an average, which is why you have decimals. So that's our expected number of girls out of 3 children.